Like I need to find a common ground.
Yeah, to make it work.
Yeah. So this. You see, after this one, my life is going to start. Yeah, it's going to change. Yes, I know.
Maybe it's gonna change for the better. No, they never. I think they know only one. That one in high school and in the black
community or the black families. You need to introduce someone you know which okay. I can now this one I know which okay we can go somewhere. If it doesn't make it,
but this one I know which okay we have tried. Yeah. And I see which there's a future. Then you can not just which you are dating 2 months now. I get here's next. You need to be sure. Yeah. You understand? I agree. Yeah. So I've never put someone. You understand? So it's gonna change.
Mfuna ukubamba lana.
Ufuna ukubamba lapha.
La.
Ay. Ngibamba lapho.
Uduabe nawo 2 million. Yona bona bakhona.